made it to Glacier National Park on the east side, and we just checked into our cabin. All this crap. Okay, let's go check it out. D8. We are at the Swift Current Motor Inn. This is different, to say the least. There's a door, so let's open it, I guess, and see what's behind it. It's a bed. I mean, it's different, right? But I mean, super cool. Let's open some windows because it is really muggy in here. Kind of get set up, and then we're gonna go out and get some dinner, some beer, hang out. Yeah, this is interesting. So
Hey.
what do you think of the cabin?
This is cool.
It's interesting.
Well, it's different, but I like it.
We just finished eating at Mending Glacier's hotel. Any comments?
Lots of leftovers.
Big servings, but look at this view behind me. Okay, so we ate dinner at Mending Glacier's. It was called the Swift Lodge. We have a draft moose drool, which is delicious if you never had it. And then we have a huckleberry lager, which we've never tried before, which will be the first time trying. And there's some little kid outside yelling.
Her name is Mia.
Mia. Get it?
Really pushing it out there.
It's triplets.
They're all moose drool.
Oh.
Holy shit, quads. I thought I had it good. I'm done listening to Mia and her family. I can still hear them.
I can too. Tonight, what we have planned is we're just gonna hang out, drink, sleep, lay in this cool fucking bed that's like Jamaican colors, and tomorrow we're gonna wake up, get some breakfast, and do some hiking here in East Glacier. But this is our first night in Glacier. We have 2 more nights to go, but this is our last night on the east side of Glacier. We are doing the Red Rock Lake hike. It's about a 2-mile round trip hike, and the reason why we decided to do this hike is because, excuse me? Oh, that said 2.
1.4 out, 1.4 back.
Oh, so I guess it's 3. But there was a lady when we were filling up our water bottles who said that she did this hike yesterday and came across a few moose. And so I really want to see some moose, so that's why we're doing this hike. And the girl at the reception desk also said that this is where they like to hang out. So fingers crossed we get to see a moose today.
The other hikers would be if they saw me go off trail and take a piss.
I'm pretty mad. Does it pee?
A little bit. They might just have to be mad.
finishing up the hike to Red Rock Lake, and we also went to Red Rock Falls. It's about a mile to the lake and about 0.5 to the falls. Easy hike. We met some really cool people and that we ended up hiking with. But yeah, then we took a little detour because we kind of got lost on the way back. And I think that's it.
We didn't get lost. I told you guys exactly where to go.
We got lost.
Howdy.
Hi.
Oh, it's facing the wrong direction. Oh, she's got you now.
What did you have to say about the hike?
It was a lot of fun. It's really pretty. Don't trust Drini. She doesn't trust you when you say this is the right trail. Then she leads you back on the wrong trail.
It was easy. It was 3 miles round trip. Yeah.
Fun times. No moose.
No moose.
No bears.
Not yet.
Just some ducks. Some mushrooms and some squirrels.
And some spider webs. And pretty views. So we just got to see some bears. They're right there. It's a cinnamon bear and a black bear. They're so cool. I don't even know.